Get a feel for the 2021 Hyundai Sonata. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a spacious and comfortable Hyundai Sonata, the midsize sedan that prioritizes a smooth ride, connected infotainment, and passenger safety. With ample cargo space, standard driver assistance, and standout style, this family-friendly four-door is ready to take you places. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, premium sound system, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection. Don't settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary. Get into this smooth, spacious, well-equipped Sonata. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.